10 clever ways to organize your kitchen for efficiency. In this video, we will share 10 clever and practical ways to organize your kitchen for maximum efficiency. From smart storage solutions to space-saving ideas, these tips will help you create a functional and organized kitchen that will make your cooking and meal prep a breeze. Say goodbye to clutter and wasted time searching for your favorite kitchen tools. Get ready to transform your kitchen into an organized paradise. Welcome to our channel. Are you tired of searching for utensils, wasting time looking for spices, or dealing with cluttered kitchen counters? Well, in today's video, we have got you covered with 10 clever ways to organize your kitchen for maximum efficiency. Let's dive in. In this video, we will share 10 brilliant ideas to declutter and optimize your kitchen space. These tips will help you save time, make cooking a breeze, and create a visually appealing kitchen environment. 1. Drawer dividers for utensils and tools. Drawers can quickly become messy and disorganized. Start by using drawer dividers to separate your utensils and tools. This will not only keep them neatly arranged but also make it easier to find what you need without rummaging through a cluttered drawer. 2. Subdivided dividers for smaller items. For smaller items such as measuring spoons, bottle openers, or clips, consider using subdivided dividers within your drawer dividers. This will help you keep these tiny items organized and prevent them from getting mixed up. 3. Magnetic knife strips. Why take up valuable counter space or search through a messy knife block when you can easily organize your knives with a magnetic knife strip? Install it on a wall, and you'll have your knives within reach while also adding a sleek look to your kitchen. 4. Storing metal utensils. Not only can magnetic knife strips be used for knives, but they're also perfect for storing other metal utensils such as whisks, spatulas, or can openers. Keep them visible and easily accessible without cluttering your drawers. 5. Expandable shelf organizers. Make the most of your cabinet space by using expandable shelf organizers. These can help you stack and separate items, creating extra storage in a previously unused vertical space. Arrange your spices, canned goods, or dishes efficiently with this clever solution. 6. Utilizing vertical storage. By utilizing vertical storage with expandable shelf organizers, you can maximize the space in your cabinets. Stack plates, bowls, or even baking pans, and avoid the hassle of digging through stacks to find the one you need. 7. Clear storage containers for dry goods. Say goodbye to half-opened bags of flour or sugar with clear storage containers. Opt for airtight containers to keep your dry goods fresh and easily visible. This will not only make your pantry look more organized but also save you time when cooking or baking. 8. Labeling containers. To take your clear storage containers to the next level, consider labeling them. This way, you'll know exactly what's inside each container without needing to open it. No more searching for that elusive ingredient when you're in the middle of a recipe. 9. Hanging pot racks. Free up precious cabinet space and add a decorative touch to your kitchen with a hanging pot rack. By suspending your pots and pans from the ceiling, you'll have easy access to them while creating a unique focal point in your kitchen. 10. Organizing cooking utensils. Why stop at pots and pans when you can also hang your cooking utensils on a pot rack? This convenient storage solution will keep your frequently used tools at arm's reach, ensuring you can quickly grab them while cooking. Outro. And there you have it. 10 clever ways to organize your kitchen for maximum efficiency. We hope these tips inspire you to transform your kitchen into an organized and functional space. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy cooking!